Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the best way to make money in cryptocurrency regardless of your experience. So no matter if you're a beginner, if you've been in the space maybe a year or two, or perhaps you've been holding spot for a while and you want to transition over to futures trading, we're going to have a look at the best way that you can do that to make money consistently and reliably. So obviously the product is Stonksy. Stonksy is the tool that we're going to be looking at today. And what is Stonksy? Well, we're going to divulge into that into TradingView. However, let's just have a quick look around the Stonksy website. So here with stonksy.io, you'll find a link in the description of this video. We have the links to the X account, the email, the YouTube and the Medium. On the Medium you can find case studies on Stonksy as well as other useful articles that we've posted, such as the Bitcoin 2-hour case study, XRP, and just other informational articles, and we'll be posting them on the regular. Well, let's just quickly cover Stonksy. So what is it? So it's an indicator that can help you trade in the market, up or down, no matter whether the market is boring, whether it's exciting, whether it's bullish, whether it's bearish. Stonksy can be used to trade every single day and make money. The Stonksy plans cut into monthly, annual, and lifetime, and then there is one that's tied into Crypto Saving Experts premium option as well. And all of these can be purchased on the website with card, or you can opt for a crypto payment as well. If you do have any questions, you can also drop a message in the email. So let's head over to TradingView to look at Stonksy on a chart. Now I've got this set up with the background indicator and the SR lines already on the chart. And also there is the momentum line on Stonksy. This is particularly useful when you're looking for exhaustion in momentum, such as, when prices are becoming oversold or overbought and you're looking for that turn in direction. And then obviously the background indicator is for long and short, and then the SR lines are to show you support and resistance. So we're going to be looking at obviously a couple of different assets today to show you how Stonksy can be utilized and how you can make money with Stonksy, and why it is the best option to go for when you're looking to maybe take your trading to the next level, or if you're just getting into futures trading, or if you just want to learn about futures trading. Obviously we're going to be looking at as well is taking trades on BLOFIN. So BLOFIN is the official exchange partner of Stonksy, and it's a non-KYC exchange. So when you sign up, you don't have to give them your ID to sign up. It's a simple email sign up, and you can access it worldwide with a VPN. When you do sign up with the Stonksy link in the description, you get an instant upgrade to VIP 1, which means you pay lower fees to the exchange. So then profits that you'll be making, you get to keep a little bit more of them when you upgrade to VIP 1 with the Stonksy link. Another couple of reasons why to choose BLOFIN: all assets are custodied in Fireblocks. They can't do anything dodgy with user funds like we've seen in the past with such as FTX and other exchanges. The proof of reserves are verified on Nansen, and they do not trade against you with a sister company. So yeah, let's head over to the chart and have a look at exactly how you can utilize Stonksy as a tool to help you make money daily or weekly. If you're maybe a bit of a high time frame trader, we can cover it all because Stonksy does everything. And obviously we're going to be covering crypto today, but Stonksy also works over in stocks, indices, commodities. So if you like to trade gold or silver, and FX. So yeah, if you like to trade your currency pairs, Stonksy does it across all markets as long as the chart loads in TradingView. So let's have a look. At the moment, I've got the 1 minute chart pulled up on Bitcoin. This is obviously for scalpers, so people who can be at the chart and act upon the ever-changing market quickly. And as you can see, Stonksy indicates the up and down movement in the market superbly, catches the nice volatile moves and the smaller moves as well. And these can also be made a bit easier with adding the alerts to Stonksy, such as just knowing when the background's changed all the time, and you can do that in the alert setting. There's a video on the Stonksy YouTube channel for that as well, on how to utilize them. But yeah, so the scalpers option is typically the 1 minute and the 3 minute when you're scalping with Stonksy. As you can see, catching some nice moves. You will typically get some ones that might close break even or in a small profit or sometimes in a small loss as well, but that's just part of the market, isn't it? That's just part of trading the market. But as you can see, the best moves in the market Stonksy catches, and we'll take a little bit of a further look back as well. And as you can see, yeah, all the good moves in the market Stonksy's caught. But it's not just for scalpers, Stonksy's for pretty much anyone who is looking to start trading. As you can see, the most recent Bitcoin move, Stonksy opened on Tuesday, green, and closed on Thursday, capturing the full reversal back above 100k. And if we want to have a look at, say, the 1 hour, we can do that. As you can see, Stonksy's currently green. However, we opened green here as well and got a nice push up. We also caught the drop downs in the market, the bigger pushes up, And then sometimes, yeah, you will have ones that close in a small loss or a small profit or break even. But over the course of consistency in trading, Stonksy catches all the good moves. And as we can see, we can take another look at another time frame, such as the 2 hour. This is the one where we've got the case study uploaded to Medium. As you can see, Stonksy caught the move all the way from 75k up to 96. And then before that, caught the moves upwards as well. So that's Stonksy that we've had that's Bitcoin that we've had a look at there. This one as well, you can see, is currently in a nice profit as well on the 2 hour. Let's scale down and we'll look at Ethereum as well, because Stonksy can be used for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, so your larger pairs. It can also be used on meme coins and other ones that are ranked, you know, maybe not in the top 10, but maybe from 10 up to 50. And then, yeah, 50 up to 100 as well, if you wanted to. As long as it's available on TradingView, you can pull it up. So there is no cap on that. So let's have a look at Ethereum. As you can see, yeah, Stonksy, you can be used to scalp Ethereum as well. Perfectly fine. This is on the 1 minute chart. So as you can see, just today, Stonksy's caught some superb moves in the market, catching a nice up and down moves as Ethereum is chopping just below $4,000. This is on the 1 minute chart. If we skip over to the 3 minute as well, as you can see, same story, nice moves in the market, and we'll get a little bit further back as we did on Bitcoin to show you just how valuable Stonksy can be. Also, you can utilize other time frames as well. So the 1 minute and the 3 minute is typically, you know, a scalper's paradise, but also things like the 5 minute, 10 minute, 15, 30 can be used as well as maybe, you know, trades to hold over a few days or perhaps a week or two, if you may be going up to the 30 minute, and then the 1 hour is kind of the sweet spot for in the middle for everyone, and then the 2 hours for them trades that you're looking to hold, you know, a couple of weeks, perhaps maybe even a month or two. Let's have a look at the 15 minute on ETH. As you can see, Stonksy caught the drop down from Sunday all the way down towards $3,500, all the way up at 4,000 on the 15 minute chart, and then got into the reversal and caught the move back up on the green. So that is Ethereum as an example for you, and obviously you can trade on the 1 hour, 30 minute, whatever you want on ETH as well. We can also have a look at WIF. Let's go and have a look at WIF. So this is for, you know, you meme coin traders out there, if you like something a bit more volatile, or maybe you just like trading anything that's on opportunity in the market. As you can see, this is the 10 minute chart on WIF. Caught the drop down again like ETH, and then, yeah, caught the reversal nicely. And then, you know, if you want to check one that's a bit higher time frame, 30 minute caught the drop down nicely as well, and currently in the reversal zone on the green background. So that's a brief, you know, selection of what's on offer with Stonksy in terms of trading with the background colour. Now, if we head over and look at the SR lines that we most recently added as well, for this example, I'm just going to turn off the background colour so it's more easy to see. But as you can see, if you are on perhaps a time frame when you're waiting for a background colour, you know, maybe you've got your alert set up for, say, the Bitcoin. Let's head over to Bitcoin. You've got your alert set on the Bitcoin chart for this. We're on the 30 minutes, so let's use that as an example. And you're waiting for the background to go red or green, perhaps, or want to close. Then you can just simply use the SR lines, and you can still use them perfectly fine with the background on. I've just turned them off so it's a bit more clear for everyone on the video. But as you can see, Stonksy draws them out automatically. So the thicker lines are the major SR. Then we have the ones that are not as transparent as the others. They are the most recent support and resistance lines, and then the ones that are like this, that are the most transparent, they're historical ones as well. And you can go into the settings and turn these off as you want. So for instance, if you just wanted major, you can turn off man. If you just wanted man, you can turn off major. And then, yeah, the selection is all there for you as well to customize the colors and to turn off ones. If you just wanted to turn off, say, the most recent ones, you could turn them off. That is completely up to you. But yeah, as you can see, Stonksy automatically plots these. So as you can see here, we've got a major SR line on the 30 minute. This is acting as resistance. So here, here, here. So you can use these as well to trade. Maybe when you're just waiting, yeah, like I said before, like a background color change, you could wait for, say, Stonksy to for Bitcoin to maybe come down and retest this, and then try and long it back up. Or you could perhaps wait for a break of resistance and use that as confirmation to go long. Alternatively, you can also use it to short. So this is obviously outlined as major resistance. You could put short on at resistance with, you know, invalidation it breaking above and try and trade it to the downside. So Stonksy can be used for everything. And this is the SR lines that we most recently added. There are going to be plenty more Stonksy updates and upgrades coming as well. And we're not stopping at what we've got now. So I've shown you Stonksy, I've shown you the overall product and how it can be beneficial in helping you reach your goals in trading and extracting as much money that you can out of this market. So then obviously the next step is, well, where do you actually place your trades? How do you actually go from looking at the chart, seeing, Stonksy changing red to green, bouncing off support, halting at resistance? How do you then take that and then actually place a trade and, make money in the market from what you're seeing on the chart? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up to BLOFIN. So the link will be in this video description. You can also find it on Stonksy's website, stonksy.io, under the exchange heading. BLOFIN is the best option for you for opening futures trades, or you can also just use it to trade spot as well if you want to. So if you want an all-round exchange to hold funds on, trade futures, or obviously buy and sell your spot holdings, BLOFIN is the answer to you. So if we have a look at BLOFIN, this is the interface, and there is a full BLOFIN tutorial on the Stonksy YouTube channel that I will link in the video description as well if you want to head over there with a full guide on setting it up from start to finish. But do make sure you click the link in the description to make sure you get all the benefits of signing up with us. But yeah, this is the interface, and what you would do is you come over, so when you see something, say for instance, we was back here, if I just do a little replay. So say we was back here, and I'll turn this all the way down. Say we was watching this market and Stonksy was going on like this and the market was going, and then we'll wait for the candle change. So there we go. So Stonksy has then gone green on this candle, but then when the candle closes and the next candle begins, that is when the colour change is cemented. So what you can do then is, as soon as that closes and this one opens, you can go to BLOFIN. You could use whatever margin you've got in your account. It is recommended that you use low leverage, obviously, unless you're very experienced and you're used to using high leverage, then, you can do whatever system fits you. But if you are new to trading, or maybe, you've not got experience with high leverage, just remember it's a marathon, not a sprint. You can take it as slow as you want. And when you use low leverage, you're protecting yourself as well. So this is an example of 3x. 3x is, a sensible low leverage. You could then obviously choose how much of the margin in the account you want to use. And then you could then set a stop loss or a take profit if you want. So obviously these background indications will change, and then you could work around that. But you could also use Stonksy support and resistance lines to help you if you wanted to. So for instance, if you open this trade on the green background, if you just wanted that, peace of mind and security, you could set a stop loss below the support levels, just so then, if you have to go away from the chart for a couple of minutes, in case of anything that happens in the market, you would be protected then. And then, yeah, so you could set them here before you open a trade, and then you would simply buy it if it's in the green background, which we are here, but if it was a red, then you would short it, and then that's it. The trade would be opened, and then, yeah, you would close it then based on what you see on Stonksy, or if it comes into a support or resistance level and you want to manually close it, then that's perfectly fine too. And it's as easy as that. It's as easy as watching what Stonksy's doing and taking action on that in the market. But do make sure that you use BLOFIN, because they are the best exchange out there in the industry. They're setting a new standard for user security and just overall interface. The user experience is superb. And that's it. That's all you need to do. So you need to, step one is obviously sign up to Stonksy if you want to make money in this market. And then step two is open a BLOFIN account with the link in the description using the Stonksy link. Or you can also find it on the Stonksy website. And that's all you need to do. There's nothing more, nothing else. Obviously, we're on a 1 minute time frame at the moment. You might think I'd want to trade on high time frame, maybe the 1 hour. Then it would be the same process. You would wait for the colour change, and you can do that with the alerts as well if you wanted to. So you could set an alert to alert you when the background changes, like we went through before. And then, yeah, you would set it on whatever time frame. So this is on the 1 minute. If you wanted to just trade the 1 hour, you could set an alert for the 1 hour, and then it would tell you, bing, Stonksy background changed, and then you could then go and open a trade. And that's everything. It's as easy as that. So do make sure that you sign up to Stonksy. The link is in the description, and make sure you come over to BLOFIN. Like I said, under 60 seconds to sign up, and there's no ID verification required. So that's an overall review of how you can make the most of the market that we've got at the moment. And do remember, when this bull market eventually ends, Stonksy will work just as well in the bear market. So don't worry if you think, oh, maybe I'm a bit late to this. Maybe I'm a bit late to this market to start really trying to extract as much money as you can. When the market eventually turns and the cycle ends, Stonksy will be there for you to catch all the drop down for whatever type of bear market that we get. So that's the beauty of Stonksy. It's not just for in a bull market or just for in a bear market. It's in for all types of markets, whether it's bull, bear, or if it's just simple consolidation. So yeah, that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching, and do make sure you click the links in the description and come and start your crypto journey.